Alrighty, so one of the very first things I noticed is the controls were a little off. I'm particularly talking about the joysticks. So here's what you gotta do. You go into Calibrate joystick, and you hit A. Now for me, it was the left joystick, but I went ahead and calibrated them both. Then when you go back, your control stick's all calibrated and it works better. So that was one of the first things I noticed about this. The second thing I noticed, it was just my device, but the volume up key doesn't work. Volume down, sure. Volume up's a no-go. Everything else worked. So yeah, if you've gotten one of these, or if you're thinking about getting one of these, check your hardware, make sure it works right, make sure it's calibrated. Otherwise, yeah, you might find a little goofiness in your games. Alright, hope you learned something.